Hey, I'm Banana here, doing a Throwback Thursday video of this old Bratz egg we scored on eBay full of stickers. Over 60 Bratz stickers. Very cool. And before we open it up, we're going to read what's outside of it on the label. So let's read that. Trademark and copyright 2003, MGA Entertainment, Inc. Bratz and all related logos, names, and distinctive likenesses are the exclusive property of MGA Entertainment.
Okay. Get to the good stuff.
www.bratzpack.com.
Yeah, that's not there anymore. Okay.
It's Bratz.com.
That would be Bratz.com, yes. Alright.
But if you go on the Wayback Machine, it forwards you to Bratz.com once you, reach a certain point in 2005.
I love the Wayback Machine.
The Wayback Machine rocks. We found this old Bratz stuff on there. Yeah,
it's amazing. Okay, anyway,
okay.
we're gonna open it. So this is from 2003,
and it's by the Mellow Smello Company. Mellow Smello. I am not making this up. See, Mellow Smello.
Yeah, nice. And it's sold at Walmart.
It was at Walmart. How do you know that?
It says it on there. Check it out. It was sold at Walmart for $1 and something.
$1.76.
Yeah, and I paid less than that on eBay, I think.
Seriously?
$1.49 or
oh,
something.
wow.
Yeah. I got a good deal.
We stole it, man.
Yeah. Totally. Okay, so
I don't know how to do
We're going to open it up. Do you need me to help you?
Yeah, we'll come back. Okay, we're back, and we just opened up. We didn't open up.
We have removed the outer seal.
We have removed it, and we did it non-destructively, so
we can save the cool artwork. Yeah.
Spring Fling Jade, everybody. Spring Fling Jade.
Yes. All right.
All right.
Open it up.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh.
Let's see. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, these are beautiful. These are amazing.
How on earth did this happen?
How did we get so lucky to have these stickers?
Yeah, and how did we get transported to the Wayback Machine?
I think we're in the Wayback Machine right now. We're in 2003.
This is the 2003 Bratz website on a roll of stickers.
Okay, so you're going to hold it up to the wall, and I'm going to come over here and...
The glory!
The glory days, everybody.
Oh, and there's the little stand-ups. Oh, and then there's 3 or 4 girls across. See that? Yeah,
that's beautiful.
There's 3 or 4 girls across, and then there's the little ones of just the girls.
There's no duplicates, right? They're all different. Right?
I think they're all different.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
I don't even know what to say right now. We're really excited about this.
How am I going to use these? Oh, I'm going to start with my school binder.
That's a good start.
Then I'm going to... Wow. I don't know what to do.
So, we'll take some close-up pictures of these stickers and put them at the end of the video. These are just beautiful.
You can see these closer up. Oh, there's the Bratz logo in all the different colors.
There's Bratz logos in a lot of different colors. This is just amazing.
We can do a quick zoom in here if you want.
Yeah, I'll try to. I know it's not as great a quality as everybody would probably like to see, so I'll take some good quality pictures.
We'll take really good pictures
and we'll
for
put them
the
at the end of the video. This is just so...
It's a little bit
awesome.
It's a little bit ripped here, and look, they're even perforated, so you can tear off little sheets at a time that has 6 stickers on it.
And share them with your friends.
Share them with your friends.
So this is so fun. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.